Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. So from any screen, if we go to nav, so you go to nav there. If you watch out at the bottom there, you'll see the actual menu that you need. It's just disappeared. What you have to do, if you put your hand in front of it, then the menu comes up at the bottom. We want new destination, country United Kingdom, city. So if we click city, then at the bottom here, you'll see PTCD. The big space bar here, way bigger than you need, but postcode is abbreviated. That's postcode, that's what you need. You click postcode. We want ABC. Our postcode is Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. Now we need numbers, so we click the numbers there. 5. We need a space, unfortunately. So we'll go back there, click a space, go back to 4, and then back to letters, EA, PR5, 4EA, then that's it, showing you where you're going, click start.
The routes are being calculated.
So if you
select a route.
So you've got the different routes there, 21 minutes, I'm assuming that's the fastest, most direct. So just click like so, and then you're away.
Please follow the road for 350 yards.
Route options, fuel options, advanced settings, import destinations, top speeds, we'll go back there. Route. Stop route guidance, that's the other thing. Sometimes you can't find it, so you just click on the route, stop route guidance. That's it.